The first token that we will be talking about today is the Web3 project, currently priced at $165.76. The volume in the last 24 hours is at 1.8 mil. Let me zoom that in so it's easier for you to see, especially if you're watching from a mobile device. I hope that's good. 1.8 mil volume. Let me know what the price is at when you're watching the video. Is it up or down from this point? And when we go down below, we can see that we can actually buy it on PancakeSwap. Hopefully it's available on MEXC very soon. They're actually the sponsors of the channel. MEXC Exchange, the best exchange to buy altcoins. Before we analyze the token and do the review, you can really help out yourself if you subscribe, because I upload a lot of these videos every single day with the hottest, newest tokens, trading strategies, and how-to videos in the crypto space. So if you want to learn about that, hit the subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button as well. And let's talk about Web3 project. So when we go on their website right here, 400% APY. That's interesting, definitely. The best optimized, highest auto staking, auto compounding protocol, staking compounding. That's very, very important right now that big investors are coming into crypto. A lot of them are just interested in staking. For hodlers, it's also a good thing to be able to stake in the compound interest option. Auto compound interest option is definitely interesting. It's good that they have the App Store, but it's not out on the App Store. It's not out anywhere. It just says coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. Invest, buy tax, sale tax. So there's a huge tax, probably some reflections. I guess there's some NFTs. Alpha test live belong. So nothing is out yet. I probably won't be buying in. I do not like the website, to be honest, that much. Let's go over their Telegram. I want to see how active people are. There's 7,000 subscribers. Okay, nothing interesting. Then the Twitter. Their Twitter is, here it is, 4,000 followers. And the engagement is, let's go on another post that didn't pin. $100, $100 giveaways. A lot of people are shouting them out right now, so I guess they're getting a lot of social signals. Oh, look at that, baby Dogecoin is trending. An out season, which is really interesting. So yeah, definitely an interesting project, but I want to see the holders. How many? I will open up this wallet that I use for testing purposes on play to earn games. We'll go ahead and paste the contract address real quick, because I want to see the holders. How many people are actually holding this token right now? And are whales buying or selling this? It's definitely dumping right now on the hard time frames. It's a new project, especially on CoinMarketCap, listed instantly, which is a good sign. But we'll just open up 3 random whale addresses and I want to see if whales are buying or selling the token right now. So we'll zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna refresh that. Swap. So this whale is buying. That's good. Nothing. And out, and basically buying and transferring to different addresses. So nothing weird. Whales are acquiring. That's good. I need your opinion though. Let me know your thoughts on the Web3 project. What do you think? Say it in the comment section down below. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.